Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris, another day, another video, and I'm here downtown Syracuse at the Everson Museum of Art. And funny story, I guess there was a picture of me here many years ago, like 40 years ago, when I was just a little kid. My dad took a picture of me and my grandma, and he entered it in a contest, and I guess it won. So there was a picture of me here many years ago. I never knew that until recently. I'll have to find that picture. But ever since I was in my early teenage years until pretty much present, I come down here when I can and I skate. I used to do it all the time when I was a teenager, and now I come down here maybe once or twice a year. I don't get in as much skating as I used to, but I figured that I'm gonna do a little challenge today. I'm gonna do a different trick for every year that I am old. So I'm 43, we're gonna try 43 skateboard tricks. So let's see if I can do it. It's been a while, so.
Sometimes they
this is getting pretty crazy here. I wish I wasn't so old. I'm at 25 right now, or somewhere around there. Almost lost count. It's getting dark out.
count that? Yeah.
28. Oh my god, I didn't realize this was going to be so hard. I just ran out of tricks. I'm at, I got 12 more to do. I gotta think of something. $33, 10 more. Okay, this took a lot longer than I thought, but I'm finally on my last trick. Sun's going down. Did it! Well, there you go, challenge completed. I did it, 43 tricks for 43 years old, and it seemed pretty easy. But what you don't see is that I skated for about 4 hours straight, and I fell quite a bit, like hard. So I'm pretty sore right now. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell for notifications. And of course, watch out for zombies. But before you go, check out this little compilation I made of some of what I endured to make this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Ah!